This is my Firestone airbag suspension on a 57 Chevy pickup truck with a TCI 4-link suspension. At the present time, we are bottomed out, sit on the rubber block. That's without a Schrader valve in there or anything else. Give me a second, we'll put in a Schrader valve. And that's 1/4 inch pipe we got going there, or airline. So we've gone from 0 to 4 inches in about 2 seconds. So now what I'm trying to figure out is what sort of shock absorber I should use. I got brackets down here mounted off the side of the airbag suspension, and I have the original cross member sitting up here. It's painted. I'm going to probably use this piece of metal down here, which is 3/8 by 2 feet. Going to cut off a chunk somewhere around here. It's about the 6-inch section, drill 2 holes, bolted to this beautiful piece right here, and try and come up with the length of shock absorber that I need. Anybody that's done this sort of stuff in the YouTube world, I want to be able to jack the vehicle up and have the shock absorber stop the bag from being pulled apart. So, if you got any dimensions on what you've done, it'd be great if you let me know. Homemade fuel tank. A lot of it's for carbureted at this present time. We got the pickup tube here. We've got the fuel gauge over there. What's going to go into this thing is a 88 GMC throttle body fuel injected motor. And you got any other tips on that one, that'd be great. Let me drop in line and let me know. Got a few things on the go there with that. So, yeah, let me know. Turbo 350 automatic into the original gauge cluster of a 57 Chevy pickup truck. So, gonna need a speed sensor to put in between the Turbo 350 and the original gauge cluster. So, if you got any info on that, that'd be great. And yeah, this baby here is going to be Dodge Viper Red. The box is done. The interior is done. The frame's done. The rear end's done. The front end's done. And here is the taped off interior. Minus a few bits on the other side there, and a few bits over there, but getting ready to paint the outside. The outside has been block sanded all the way down to 320 at this present time. Going to go probably up to about 600, and that's what my top coat suggests. A few glazing spots here and there. maybe another coat of high fill primer or two. So yeah, let me know. Okay, talk to you later.